Man, this is the time of the year I just love. Look at the azaleas blooming. All of our blueberries are starting to bloom out. They got blooms all over them. I just love seeing this kind of stuff. Spring is here, I believe. Another thing I like doing is coming up here. I love looking at this right here. Look at that. We've got that planted in ryegrass and clover and stuff like that to cut for hay this year. Guys, I just love seeing this greenery everywhere. And actually, we have pecan trees beginning to bud.
Oh yeah, some of those trees have buds on them.
And they're starting to get little green buds on them. And when a pecan tree, we've learned when a pecan tree buds out in the south, you can just about say the major cold is over with. We came up here checking on the fields to see how the ryegrass is doing, and it is finally starting to grow, and the clover's starting to come up out there. Of course, we don't have any water in the pond yet because it ain't rained hardly, but that'll come in time, I suppose. But the field is looking really, really nice. We got 5/8 of an inch of rain a couple of days ago, and that has caused the grass, with this warm temperature we're having, it's caused the grass to really want to start growing, and that's exciting to us because we were wondering if we was ever going to get anything to grow this year before we could even have any hay, because it should be about 6 inches deep right now, and it's only about 3 to 4 inches deep. Come on, Lucy, Lucy! Alright, we're checking out our other fields for hay, and this one seems like it's coming along really, really nice. It's doing good. And we also have another field kind of back in the corner right here. It's doing real good. The grass is doing well in it. And then down under the big power line here, this grass is doing good. So we're excited that the grass is coming on. All right, we're checking the back field here on the back part of the property, and it looks really nice. Even off down this steep hill down here, that looks real good down in there. I am excited. We have plenty of ryegrass this year. If the weather holds out and permits itself like it's supposed to, we might get to cut some good ryegrass this year. All right, you can see. Now here where the pecan orchard is, I didn't plant any ryegrass in this. I just let that.
This is another pecan orchard.
This is another pecan orchard. It's young trees here. These have pecans on them, but they're young and they're a little bit thick. I got to get in there and thin a few of them out. But you'll notice in the background all over in here, I planted all that in ryegrass in there with the cows. And they, boy, I mean, they're enjoying it. I mean, all the way around everywhere, all the grass is starting to come up in their fields. And the clover, because I feed them clover hay. All the clover's coming up and all that.
And this is another pecan orchard.
That's another pecan orchard. Here, they bear pecans, a few, not a lot yet. They're still young trees, probably 15 years old, maybe 10, 15 years old, maybe a little bit older than that. Everybody always asks us about our soil, our potting soil and all this kind of stuff we put in the raised beds and stuff like that. Well, guys, when we bought this piece of property 3 years ago, what you're seeing me standing in right here and all this back in here, this was all woods. I mean, everywhere you look used to look just like this right down in here. All that looked just like that. And what I've done is I strategically come through the property and I took out certain places, and I still have a little bit on the end right here I'm going to take out. But I push it up. You see all this dead brush up in here? A year or so ago, that dead brush was up there about 10, 15 feet high. Well, it has, since then, it has begun to rot and break and fall down. This is the beginning of our potting soil here at Pecan Grove. This is how it begins. Now, I'm going to take you and show you some other places in different stages that we have the soil at, and then I'm going to finally show you where we're harvesting soil from. Okay guys, this one you see in front of us here, we have almost completely cleaned this one up. This was all nothing but a trash pile, probably 50 feet across and 10 feet high. And we've been for the last 2 years now getting soil out of this pile sitting right here in front of us right here. Now, the pieces that I'm getting out of it and throwing over to the side over here to the left, that is what has to rot down in the future. But this is a pile right here that we've almost got most everything out of this right here. There's a little bit left in there that we can get, but it's probably enough to fill up maybe 1 or 2 more beds in that right there. All right, what we have here, this is a trash pile here this trash pile is 3 years old. This is one of the first trash piles we pushed up when we came here, when we cleared this pecan orchard here. It was such a mess in here. We had it all put right here. This trash pile was probably 10 to 15 feet high up yonder, and it has now rotted down, and I've been taking the tractor, moving it back in like this, and you're starting to see the soil all piled up in here. You can see it's like 3 to 4 feet high here now, this soil is, and that's nothing but just rotted wood has turned into soil. Now I'm gonna come around the other side of it here, and I'm gonna show you the finished product. Okay, now this is the back side of the trash pile, and you can see here where I've been pushing up in here, pushing dirt up in here, pushing. Now you come on around, see where Lucy's at? Look at that pile of dirt on the right hand side right there. That is nothing but pure black rich soil that I have went through and piled up out here to go in our beds.
That's black gold.
That is black gold. That is nothing but pure black soil.
You see where she's at?
No.
Let's go.
Now when we scoop this up, there's still going to be pieces of wood in here, and we bring them back and we put them back up in the trash pile to rot down. And some pieces, little pieces, we don't worry too much about, but this right here, guys, that's just pure black gold right there. That's nothing but rotted wood that has decomposed over the last 3 years. Because of our humidity here, stuff gets wet and stays wet, and it just rots down. And I mean, just don't take no time for it to rot down.